All right, guys, quick video on how to add Baby PengolinCoin to your Exodus wallet. So you're going to open up your Exodus wallet here. The bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see a square-shaped avatar with different colors. You're going to press that. It'll bring you to here, to this screen where you see here right now. And you're going to come over to Assets. Bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click Assets. And here you're going to push Add Custom Token at the bottom. And you want to switch over to Binance Smart Chain. And then click Search. You're going to paste Baby PengolinCoin's contract address here. I'll leave it a link in the description of the video for you guys. And there pops up Baby PengolinCoin. You click on that. And you add the token here. And you can see it's been added. Now you can go to your main screen and save it as a favorite. You can see here I have it as a favorite set here. You got to press that little star at the top right hand corner and you'll have it right on your dashboard. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next video.